Hi there! In the last video, we kicked off our Summer Coast series with the first two designs. Now, let's jump in and finish up the last two. If you get any inspo or tips from my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Like always, we're starting off with a base coat. Then, go in with a thin layer of milky white gel to set up our base color. Grab an old gel brush you forgot to throw out and pick up some 3D sculpting gel. Start drawing these semicircle textures all over the nail, stroke by stroke, until the whole thing is covered. Rub on some moonlight chrome powder to give it that gorgeous shine. Brush on a layer of base gel, so we're ready for the next step. Take a sponge and dab some orange painting gel from the bottom up to the middle for an ombre. Then, sponge some yellow from the middle upwards. Tweak it until the blend looks supernatural. Dip a liner brush into some hard top coat to build up those seashell details. Make sure every stroke goes from the bottom up. Flash cure right after each line. Curing it quickly is the secret to keeping that 3D volume. Once you've got the middle lines down, keep going on the sides. Going bottom to top gives you that nice thick to thin look. And our seashell is done. Looks pretty real, doesn't it? Let's spice it up with some little charms. Mix some mold gel with white color gel. And carefully fill up your starfish mold. Quick check for bubbles before curing. Okay, looks good. Stick that onto our seashell nail using rhinestone gel. Pick whatever color you're feeling. When you dab on the watercolor ink, don't even worry about it being perfect. You can use 1 or 2 colors to paint your starfish, whatever you like. Pop on a couple of tiny pearls. Hit it with a top coat and we're done. For this one, we're jumping right in on a base coated nail. Start by dabbing orange painting gel from the bottom to the middle for an ombre. Then do the exact same thing from the top down with green. Make sure they blend together nicely. Then go over it with a matte top coat. Grab some white watercolor ink and draw some wavy lines right in the middle. Keep them narrow on the edges and wider in the center. Feel free to layer it a few times. Make another starfish charm like we did before and pop it on the nail. Color it in with your favorite watercolor ink. Finish with a top coat and watch it instantly get all glossy and translucent. Alright guys, that wraps up our Summer Coast series. You can click the end screen link or head to my channel to catch the first two designs. Thanks for watching.